Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make curry mince. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 500 grams of beef or lamb mince, a good quality curry powder, and fresh vegetables. Begin by finely chopping 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful curry. Also, dice any additional vegetables like carrots or potatoes into small, even pieces for consistent cooking. This preparation saves time later. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onion and garlic, sautéing them until they become translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, add the mince to the pan. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's evenly browned, ensuring no pink remains. Drain any excess fat if necessary. With the mince browned, it's time to build those delicious curry flavors. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry powder, along with any other spices you enjoy, like turmeric or cumin. Cook these spices for about 1 minute, allowing their aromas to fully develop. Then, pour in 400 milliliters of crushed tomatoes and 100 milliliters of water or beef broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring well to combine all ingredients. Finally, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let your curry mince simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking, and if the curry becomes too thick, add a small splash of water or broth. Serve your delicious curry mince hot with rice, naan bread, or your favorite side dish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.